Alright guys, so back to crypto reviews today. If I open the biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap, like I always do when I want to review tokens, I just go on CoinMarketCap, I check the biggest gainers. You're going to see that one of the biggest gainers today is this particular token, Satoshi Monsters, and this token has done 228% with 3.5 million dollar trading volume the last 24 hours. So let's quickly look at Satoshi Monster and see what this token is about, right? If you come over to still market cap, you open the Satoshi Monster, you see that it's currently on the worth list of 914 people and ranking 2949. This token has 0.15 is worth 1 cent, which means the total supply of this token will not be much. The project itself, Satoshi Monster, is a game, a play to earn game that is built on the Binance Smart Chain. Said almost every difference game, the objective is to prevent all holders from being able to advance on the map. So they are telling you that the total supply of Satoshi Monster is just 300 million. 4% of the tokens were sold as part of the private launch, and every other information on CoinMarketCap. I won't waste my time talking about these things already on CoinMarketCap. So let's quickly look through the project. If you head over here, you see that this is the game. You can watch the trailer, the white paper, and the token economics, where you can get every information about Satoshi Monster. The marketplace is now open, so if you want to learn more about the marketplace, you can visit the official website. From there you can get information about the marketplace, right? And there's a mini demo for the game. That is, if you have interest playing the game, since it is a play to earn game, it means once you play this game, you're going to earn some tokens in return. And right now this token has 2,754 holders. Those are the number of people that bought this token. I'm sure if I refresh this, you'll see that the orders will increase, and I can see that people are still buying. Now it's now 2,770, like almost 200 plus just bought some bags of this token. And from the information I can get here, I can see that this token is getting a lot of buys. So many people are buying this token. It's crazy buy. And what I will just quickly do is to just review this project to see whether it is safe to invest in or not. So all I will do is, for me to get every other information, and I just copy the contract address, go to poolcoin.app, paste the contract address here. I paste the contract address so that I can get every information about this token here, right? This is not opening. I need to refresh this. While I'm waiting for poolcoin.app to load, I'll just go on token sniffer to scan through the contract address of this token and see every information I can get on this project to see whether it is safe to invest in or not. Guys, just stay tuned. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you are very welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, like my videos. It helps my algorithm. I make videos every day where I review tokens, right? So back to poolcoin.app. It's taking time to load. Okay, now we can paste the contract address here. I don't know why this network is a little bit down. Let's paste. Okay, I've pasted the contract address. I should have done the Satoshi Monster. Now on token sniffer, that brought out the token to Satoshi Monster. My plan was to make a very short video, but because of the whole slow network, the slow internet, I don't know, this video might take a while, but then let's just keep it rolling. We're almost done with the video. Let's see poolcoin.app if the information on this token are out already. Okay, the total supply is 300 million, very little supply. The market cap is currently it's like 47 million dollars. I think that's what I'm seeing in this market cap. And this token has just been recently listed. Look, oh, not recent though. This token has been existing, but right now there's a massive pump. I don't know the reason behind the pump. However, from the information I can see here, there is liquidity, $253,000 in liquidity of this token. And if you keep it moving on token sniffer, the smart test is like 65%, which means this project is relatively above average. But then I can see some red flags here, so quickly check through. The token is not an honeypot. The buy fee is 0%, self is 0%. The contract source is verified. There's a similar token. However, the owner, the contract source code contains a mint function which could potentially allow the token to be created and dumped, right? So from the source code, there is a warning that this token, more token can be created and this project can be dumped. And this is because the ownership is not renounced. The owner still has power over this token, one. And number two, like I said earlier, the ownership is not renounced, which means the creator of this token can modify contract, disable selling, change the fees, manipulate it, and stuff like that. Most of the time, ownership not being renounced could be for a legitimate reason. However, in many cases, most creators just, you know, still take charge of the project so that they can still manipulate it and look for loopholes to make money from the project. But from what I can see, there's liquidity present and there's adequate liquidity. You have like over 627 BNB, and 95% of this liquidity, over 95% is locked, exactly 98.8%. However, this lock is going to expire on the 30th of May 2022, which you also need to take cognizance of. Now, what is my final verdict? This token, you will need to do a lot of research, and there are some red flags here. I cannot call this project a scam. It doesn't look like a scam. It's a play to earn game. But then you need to do a lot of research before you invest your money in this token. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop more reviews, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.